Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brittany, and today's video is going to be a quick and easy wig install. This wig is from Yolissa Hair. They sent me over their 5x5 water wave wig in the length 22 inches. This is a glueless wig install, you guys. This wig is not glued down at all. I keep pushing it up forward because I feel like it's sliding back. I need to adjust the strap on the inside. But this is a glueless wig install, beginner friendly. As far as the lace goes, the wig already came with this part. So the only thing I had to do was just add my foundation so that it could match my skin. It also came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck this hair at all. When I tell you guys low manipulation to this wig to get it to look like this, I am serious. So it also comes with this edge scarf, a wig band to lay your lace down. It comes with this wig bag to store the wig once you're done wearing it. On the back, you just have the information, contact information for Yolissa Hair. These HD wig caps. Unfortunately, I will not be able to use these. Honestly, no, I can probably use these if I added makeup, but I probably won't use them just because just too much of a hassle. It also comes with this edge brush if you want to add baby hairs to your lace, or just really just like comb the front of this hair to kind of mold it and shape it how you want. And the last thing it came with were some lashes if you want to be glamorous. Has these really pretty dramatic lashes that you can put on. So if you guys are interested in this wig, all of the wig details and the exact wig link will be listed in my description box, but now I'm going to show you guys how I quickly installed this wig. So we are at the end of the wig install. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, how easy it was to literally just slap this wig on. As far as the products I used to really just define the curls on this wig, I used water and conditioner. So I put it in a spray bottle, shook it up, and just sprayed that all over my hair. And this just creates more shine and luster to the curls. I also used my foaming lotion by Nairobi to keep the curls from like frizzing. And what else did I use? Oh, I used my hot comb to flatten the top of the hair so that it can be really flat and not bulky looking, along with my edge fixer wax stick. This really just helps keeps the flyaways down, and it also gives my hair like this sleek, shiny look at the top that I really like. It just looks like my hair is freshly done whenever I use that wax stick. And the last thing that I used was, I used my blow dryer that has this diffuser attachment to quickly dry the hair, because adding all of that product on the hair, it just leaves the hair soaking wet. This diffuser attachment just dries the hair without making it frizzy. I think I got this from Sally's and it probably was like $12 or $15. So it comes in handy, especially for my natural hair. I want to say that's all. Oh, and for the part, you guys, I used my MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, and what I did was I just drew a straight line going back. So Cork is like my scalp color, so every time I use this on my parts, it literally looks like my scalp. A little lighter than my overall skin complexion, but perfect for my scalp color. So if you guys are interested in this wig, it'll be listed down below in my description box, and I will see you guys later. Bye, you guys.